Since 2003, EMS Consulting Group has provided operational excellence training and facilitation services. 80% of those services had been in person, either at a client site or an off-site training location. Since the pandemic began, we have been working to keep our clients engaged in continuous improvement by developing new and creative ways to engage people in the process. Utilizing virtual breakout rooms and collaboration tools, we have been able to deliver highly engaging training and improvement workshops. During these training sessions and improvement events, participants are actively engaged in working on team exercises, applying improvement methods to their own processes, and generating improvement ideas and action plans. In between sessions, participants are able to utilize our self-paced online training system at their own convenience and to work on testing and implementing improvements to their operations. In addition to our Lean and Six Sigma training and certification programs, we have delivered value stream mapping workshops, 5S events, Kaizen events, and Hoshin planning activities, all virtually. When done correctly, virtual events and training activities can be equally effective to in-person events, and they have the benefit of being delivered in smaller increments of time without travel expenses and at lower cost. To learn more, register for training, or request a proposal for training or a transformation event, contact us at www.emsstrategies.com.